Hello everybody. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable Shop Cash rewards on the Shop app. If you want to earn and redeem Shop Cash in the Shop app, you need to be signed into your account. Firstly, open any of the web browser. In the top, there's this address bar. Type down shop.app and enter it. And once you're inside this homepage, what you need to do is you need to go to your profile icon in the bottom left here. And over here, make sure you have completed your account set up by verifying your email address and phone number. This helps ensure you have access to all the available shop features. And next, ShopPay is set up by adding a payment method. If you have not already, Shop Cash rewards are earned through eligible purchases. And what you need to do is go to your homepage next. And when you're ready to make a purchase here, and you can return to homepage and browse the product from the merchants that participate in the Shop Cash program. Once you open it, what you need to do is you need to simply click onto this buy now here. And if your purchase qualifies, any Shop Cash rewards will be credited to your account automatically after the order is processed. And that is it. That's how you can enable Shop Cash rewards on the Shop app.